Hi, good morning, children. Welcome back to our class. Children, in the previous class, already I explained lesson 1, right? Once upon a time, there lived a hawk on the top of a hill. At the foot of the hill, what was there? There was a banyan tree. Then every day, a crow came to this tree, came and sat on this tree and watched. It was watching the hawk. Understand? Actually, this crow was very foolish. He would imitate everyone. The hawk would fly down every day in search of food. Understand? In search of food. So the crow watched this hawk circling in the air for long hours and swooping down when he saw his prey. Then actually the hawk gifted with eyes that could see long distances. Long distances would spot his prey from the hilltop and then fly down to pounce upon his prey. Then a few days later, as the hawk was circling in the air, the crow decided to do the same. Then what did the crow decide? The crow decided to imitate the hawk, right? Suddenly, a baby rabbit came out of the bushes. The hawk saw it. At the same time, the crow also saw this. Next moment, he spotted a big fat mouse coming out of a hawk. Without wasting time, the crow swooped down, came to down. But before the crow could move, the hawk swooped down. And what did the hawk do? The hawk swooped down and he caught hold of the rabbit in his sharp claws and flew away. Okay, then what happened to the crow? When the crow was looking at the hawk flew from there. Understand? But the fat mouse saw the crow, and the fat mouse saw the crow. So what happened to the fat mouse? It moved from there. Understand? Then after that, the crow crashed against the hill and cried the crow in pain. So the hawk came to the crow and said, "But it is not easy to hunt, and it is not easy to imitate either." After that, from thereafter, the crow never imitated anyone in his life. He lived happily with what abilities he had. So we learn this lesson. Now you do one thing. Already I had given the notes. But now open your notebook, English notebook, and write down. Lesson 1. The hawk and the crow. The hawk and the crow. Okay. Write down new words. New words. First one is, you write down hawk. Second one, perched. P-E-R-C-H-E-D, perched. Okay, next one, banyan. B-A-N-Y-A-N, banyan. T-R-E-E, tree. Then fourth one is prey. P-R-E-Y, prey. Then fifth one. നിങ്ങൾ താഴെ എഴുതണം കേട്ടോ, താഴെ. Then fifth one is imitate. Imitate. The next one is swooping. Seventh one, pounce. Eighth one is Eighth one is spotted. Spotted. Ninth one circling. Circling. The last one is crashed. C-R-A-S-H-E-D. Crashed. So these are the new words. You should write in your notebook. How many times? One time. The first one is hawk. H-A-W-K. Hawk. All of you say H-A-W-K. Hawk. Second one perched. P-E-R-C-H-E-D. Perched. P-E-R-C-H-E-D. Perched. The next one banyan tree. B-A-N-Y-A-N. Banyan. T-R-E-E. Tree. Banyan tree. B-A-N-Y-A-N. Banyan. T-R-E-E. Tree. The next one pray. P-R-E-Y. Pray. Imitate. I-M-I-T-A-T-E. Imitate. Imi. I-M-I-Tate. T-A-T-E. Tate. Imitate. Swooping. S-W-O-O-P-I-N-G. Swooping. S-W-O-O-P-I-N-G. Swooping. The next one is pounce. P-O-U-N-C-E. Pounce. The next one is spotted. S-P-O-T-T-E-D. Spotted. S-P-O-T-T-E-D. Spotted. The next one circling. C-I-R-C-L-I-N-G. Circling. C-I-R-C-L-I-N-G. Circling. The last one is crashed. C-R-A-S-H-E-D. Crashed. C-R-A-S-H-E-D. Crashed. Have you completed, children? All of you. Okay. The next one. After completing this, you should take next page. Or if you have space is there, you should write there. One line leave and write. Okay. Each one write neatly. All of you. Then you should write that V1, V2. V1, V2. V1, V2 already I told you. Understand? This V1, V2 present and past already I explained. Right, children? V1 എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ എന്താണ്? V1. V1 means what? അതായത് പ്രസന്റ് ടെൻസ്. ഇപ്പോൾ നടക്കുന്ന കാര്യങ്ങളാണ് V1. അതായത് വെർബിന്റെ ഫസ്റ്റ് ഫോം. V2 എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ പാസ്റ്റ് ടെൻസ്. കഴിഞ്ഞു പോയ കാര്യങ്ങൾ. ഓൾറെഡി ഫിനിഷ്ഡ് അല്ലേ? അത് കഴിഞ്ഞു പോയ കാര്യമാണ്. അപ്പോൾ V1, V2. ഓക്കെ ചിൽഡ്രൻ? Open your notebook. Open your notebook. That already you have written now. That answer, which one? New words you have written. Then after you have write now V1, V2. V1, V2. Okay. First one. L-I-V-E. Lived. L-I-V-E-D. Lived. And L-I-V-E. Live. L-I-V-E-D. Lived. Live എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ എന്താണ്? താമസിക്കുക. അല്ലേ? താമസിച്ചു എന്നുള്ളത് എന്താണ്? Lived. L-I-V-E-D. Lived. അല്ലെങ്കിൽ ജീവിച്ചു എന്ന് നമുക്ക് പറയാം. ഓക്കെ. ജീവിക്കുക, ജീവിച്ചു. അല്ലെങ്കിൽ താമസിക്കുക, താമസിച്ചു. Live, lived. Okay. Then next one is live, lived. Okay. Finished. Now only you write. Okay. Live, lived. Next one. Come. Came. Come. Come എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ എന്താണ്? Come. വരുക. Right? It means വരുക. Came എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ വന്നു. Right? Come. Came. Come. Came. Okay. C-O-M-E. Come. C-A-M-E. Came. Next one. Fly. F-L-Y. Fly. F-L-E-W. Flew. Fly means, it means പറക്കുക. അല്ലേ? Flew എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ പറന്നു. Right? Fly, flew. Fly, flew. Okay. The next one, see, saw. See, S-E-E-C, SAW, so. See, it means കാണുക. Understand? So, kandu. See, so. SEEC, SAW, so. Okay. The next one. Decide. 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 Decided. കണ്ട അവിടെ ഒരു ഇ ചേർത്താൽ മതി, ഒരു ഡി ചേർത്താൽ മതി. Decide. 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 So you should add D with decide. Understand? So you will get V2 form. Right? Decide. Decided. Decide means തീരുമാനിക്കുക. Decided, it means തീരുമാനിച്ചു. DECIDE, decide. So you should add D with decide. You will get the V2 form of decide. So DECIDE, decided. The next one, cry. CRY, cry. CRIED, cry. Cry means you know, it means കരയുക. Cry, it means കരഞ്ഞു. Right? You see the first one is live, lived. LIVE, live. LIVED, lived. Second one, come. COME, come. CAME, came. FLY, fly. FLEW, flew. The next one, SEEC, SAW, saw. The next one is DECIDE, decide. Decided. DECIDED, decided. Cry. CRY, cry. CRIED, cried. Okay, you write down that new words and V1, V2. Already I had given these notes, but some members I think all of you, all members want to write. Understand? Those who are sitting at home. Okay, so you have to write. Rest of the members that already they had written. Understand? Those who are coming to school, they already they had written. But the rest of the members, those who are sitting at home, those who are at home, let them write now new words and V1, V2. Okay, children? Homework is write V1, V2. Write and study. Write and study. V1, V2 5 times. OT. OT means you know oral test. Okay, I will ask you whether you studied or not. I will check. Okay, children. Children, I am going to wind up the class. Thank you and have a nice day.